customized European standard sheet-to-sheet printing production line.
This is a customized sheet-to-sheet CCD screen printing line for a French customer in full compliance with EU standards, mainly divided into 3 functional areas. The first one is automatic loading and CCD high-precision screen printing part.
The thickness of stacking area can reach 700 mm. Fully automatic loading, CCD registration and alignment,
Dust removal and screen printing. The middle part is the UV curing machine. The printed material enters the curing machine via the unloading mechanical arm and conveyor belt. After the curing is completed, it will enter into the automatic receiving machine. The receiving machine includes 2 functions: auto receive stacking and auto alignment functions.
After the collection is complete, the neatly stacked material can be removed manually. The whole production process is very intelligent and efficient.